Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you one of the latest projects I've worked on, and I can't wait to show you. So the project I've worked on is adding a IPS screen to my Game Boy Color. This is a laminated IPS screen that I got from Funny Playing. The mod itself is really easy to do, because now you don't need to do any soldering at all. It's just a drop-in screen kit, and it comes with everything you need, such as the ability to change the screen, add scan lines, make it look more like the original Game Boy with the large pixels, or you can just remove all of it and have it look crisp and clean. And to be honest, when it's in that mode, I can't even see the pixels on the actual screen, which is mind-blowing. The screen is bright, it's vibrant, has a high refresh rate. Overall, I can't recommend this enough. Now let's show you some close-ups of the screen. So here's a close-up of the screen, and you can see this is in the mode with no scan lines or anything, and it looks extremely clean. Like, you can't even see the individual pixels. You can see the game isn't in the sharpest resolution, but the actual screen, you cannot see the pixels. Now I'll go through a few modes. So you can change the brightness of the screen just by tapping the top here with the heat sensitive button. And if you press and hold, it brings up a menu where you can change, add scan lines, make it look more like the original Game Boy. This is the original Game Boy mode. And then the next one is the one I like, my favorite. It takes it away and you just have a clean looking screen. And it also does other things, like you can change the color of the Game Boy logo, which is pretty neat. Because I know with the older version of this mod, this required soldering, and now it doesn't. It makes it so much more appealing. One more. That's the one I like. And you just press and hold and it goes away. A few other things you need to know is you need to buy the shell if you're planning on doing this screen mod. Otherwise, it requires extensive modding of the original shell and it's just not going to be worth it. And the finish will not be anywhere near as good as this. This almost feels, actually I'm going to say this feels exactly like an original Game Boy shell in terms of quality. So if you have an old Game Boy, I cannot recommend doing this enough. It makes it look so good, brings your games to life. It honestly makes you want to replay all your games you have. This mod would make a good Christmas present maybe. If you have a partner that you know he likes retro games and maybe he has an old Game Boy lying around, it'd be a fun little project, doesn't take too long, only requires a screwdriver, and he'll be having fun in no time. So that's it for this video, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.